and welcome to Alpha One Crypto. And yes, Ethereum. It's time to buy? Well, let's see. Now, before we do that, if you want to take a long trade, like I will explain to you why I am going to do now, you can go to Bybit or Bitflex below the video, and you get big bonuses if you deposit more than $100 and you start trading. So make sure you sign up there. Also, make sure you check out the third link, because yes, I do have a signal service. So check it out. It's the link number 3. Now, let's get to Ethereum. So, why should we go long now? Well, take a look here now. As you can see, we are now testing a very strong support. You see we broke out of this one, and it was a strong support before, and resistance are strong. You can see also back here many tests, and this is on daily chart, so it's not easy to break this one. So will we break it now on the first try? Well, we never know, because we also see that we have a trend line going downwards, right? We're coming into a squeeze. So here's how I see. I will now go in with a long trade here now, and I will take a new trade. If for some reason we break down, I will take one more down here. I do not believe that we go lower than this. This will be the lowest point for Ethereum that we ever will see, because like Bitcoin, Ethereum will go much higher. My target for Ethereum in this bull run, I will guess we will see around between 8 to 10,000 Ethereum. So now is your chance to make many X's, right? Because the thing is, we might see 5x, almost 5x. Let's say 4x easy with Ethereum. And yes, you can have many meme coins and this that can make you much more, but this is the safest bet. And if you use Bitflex or Bybit that you find below the video, you can even raise it a little, because you can take 5x, 10x or more on the trades you do. So, well, I will think I'll take a 5x here. Yeah, I'll take a 5x here. And if for some reason break down here, I'll take a 10x trade. And then I will just ride it all the way up. I will take one more trade when we break out of this trend line. I will take the final trade when we break above 2,900. Then will be the strong trade. And of course, all-time high at around 4,100, I will go all in. So this is how I will handle with Ethereum. So you can figure out yourself how you're going to trade Ethereum, but this is how I'm going to do it, and I believe that we have a high probability to make a lot of money with Ethereum. This year, I will be happy if we surpass all-time high this year, and then within 2025, I'm expecting Ethereum around 8 to 10,000, because as you know, altcoin season is very close to come, and when altcoin season come, then Ethereum will lead the way. So make sure you sign up for Bitflex, Bybit. You find links below the video. Take the long trade. I'm going to take a 5x trade here. If you come down here, I'll take a 10x. I'm actually hoping we break this and come down here so I can get a better position, but this is for the long run. I'm going to close it. My target is minimum 8,000. I think if we reach 8,000, then I will take out probably like 80% of the trade, and then I will leave 20% for the moon bag. That will be 10,000 Ethereum. So let's see. That is my plan. Tell me your plan below the video. Are you going into Ethereum? Are there any other trades? Are you trading Bitcoin, or are you just into meme coins, altcoins, AI coins, whatever? Let me know below the video. Also, make sure you like this video. Have a nice day.